one right here. The Julius Tower. That was him.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
Otis.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Yourself?
Fantastic.
Looks
Have a
like
great
it.
day.
Looks like it. Did you win?
Huh?
Did you win?
We
Didn't even
haven't,
gamble.
we haven't put,
Took
no.
a,
This is
took a walk
important.
and spent the
We
day at the
did.
pool.
It's better.
Yeah.
Just less.
Okay.
Keep safe.
Yep.
Huh?
It's tonight that we'll see if we win.
Yeah. Always. Always.
You gotta know when to stop.
If you pocket what you put in,
Yeah.
then you can always say you won, right?
Of course.
Yes. Oh, this is
11?
us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You too.
Thank you, sir.
You going to the whip?
Yeah.
There you
Thanks,
go.
man.
You're welcome. Get another one. We get a view. Nice. Oh, there's buttons to go up. Wait, what's that for? Oh, only one goes further up. Let's see where this gets. That was like the loudest people ever. And the most annoying floor passing kind of ever exist. See where this goes.
It's too late, didn't it?
Oh no, well,
Oh,
done that for about.
this is one floor up. Yeah,
Right here, mate.
you're welcome.
We're going back down, come on.
Yeah, I'm probably going back there.
There, mate.
Only one elevator goes up here. Dang, this thing flies actually. Is this normally locked? I'm just curious. Yeah, it's normally locked. We got lucky.